Hey mom, this is my boyfriend, Fitzroy. Man?
It's nice to meet you.
Mani, nakam sa kilala laki. Hindi alat diri.
Oh, okay.
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Jamaica.
Jamaica? يك أشي خوان ndi alat diri. Mom, so ubali baalage. So your parents, they're married?
Yeah, my parents are still together. They've been married 30 years now. You know, they're very happy.
Mom, just like you and Dad. Where did you guys meet?
Oh, we actually met at a party.
It was a church thing, Mom.
Yeah, it's really good.
You go Orthodox church?
No, it's Christian.
I actually go to church every Sunday.
You smoke?
Oh, no. I don't smoke. It's gross. It smells bad. Besides, my parents taught me way better than that to smoke. I would never smoke.
So what do you do?
Oh, I'm an engineer.
Lahan ba? You want coffee?
Oh, thank you. I would love some boon.
Ito lahan ba?